everyone. This is just a quick video to show you how to install the Survey123 application if you're using it for the point and time count this year, as well as how to make sure that the survey comes up appropriately in the app. So I will be using an Android phone today. However, we have noticed that after install, everything works the same on iPhone and on Android. So instead of going to your Play Store, you will simply go to whatever the equivalent is, the Apple Store. So I'm going to go to the Play Store, and at the top in the search, I'm going to type Survey123, and I'm going to search for that. And it's going to come up, and I'm going to ask to install that. It's a green box with a check mark on a binder, I guess is the logo. It'll take a moment to download and install. And once that's completely installed, you'll press the Open button, and it will open the ArcGIS Survey123 application. If it asks you whether or not you can take pictures and record video, it's safest just to say while using this app, or whatever the iPhone equivalent is. And if you want notifications, I usually just say don't allow. When you get to this screen, you're going to continue without signing in. It's the very bottom option. It's going to ask if it's allowed to use your device's location. Again, I typically say while using the app. And then you'll see this screen. The way you're going to load your survey is you're going to either need to email yourself the link that I'm about to show you, or you're going to have to text it to your phone, whichever way is easiest for you. It's in my text messages, so I'm going to switch out of this and go to my text messages and copy this link. And then I'm going to go back to Survey123, and I'm going to paste it in the search bar at the top. And then I'm click search. That is going to download and bring the survey into your application, and it's actually going to automatically open it. So it automatically takes you into the survey. The X in the top left-hand corner will get you out of the survey. And you can, if you don't want to take this survey or finish this survey, you can close and lose changes. And then you'll see that you have this York County point in time revised. So I'm going to close this out and show you, if I go back into the survey app, I don't want notifications. I'm going to continue without signing in, and then you're going to see this box again. At this point, you can click on that box, and at the bottom it says collect. And if you press collect, it will start the survey for you. You'll see there are options for both in-person and observation, and I will do a separate video walking through what the survey looks like this year.